Welcome everyone to the Moldex3D webinar series. In this webinar, we'll be discussing the designing of cooling systems using Moldex3D simulation. All right, so getting started. So cooling time in the injection molding process is kind of the most critical stage during the whole molding cycle, or I should say it's the most significant stage during the molding cycle. You can see most of the time it takes anywhere between 60 to 70% of the entire cycle time, and can comprise of many challenges which can be fixed in a variety of ways. So, just a quick little breakdown here. So I'm going to go through an intro, conformal cooling in Moldex3D, and then a case study, a few case studies actually, and then some mesh improvements here. So, an intro to conformal cooling. So, three main problems that most companies experience in the cooling stage are going to be things like sink mark or shrinkage-related defects. Warpage is probably the biggest one, and then final cycle time. So being able to break down your total cycle time in order to make your cycle productivity. So the warpage caused the non-uniform shrinkage is usually due to packing pressure difference, temperature difference in the mold base, and fiber orientation. And what we can do in the cooling stage is reduce the amount of variance in the mold temperature. So if we can reduce the overall mold temperature difference, that will help us to improve the overall quality of our